The waters of Minnesota are an important resource for recreation and our economy. Unfortunately, many of the state's rivers, streams, and some beaches can sometimes contain unsafe concentrations of bacteria. Bacteria is everywhere. Some bacteria can be good and is necessary for digestion. Think of yogurt. Bad bacteria, however, can make us sick. Some of these bad bacteria, fecal coliform and E. coli, can be found in the water in which we enjoy swimming. These bacteria can be a public health issue. Ingestion by animals or humans can cause sickness and, in rare cases, death. These bacteria originate in the guts of warm-blooded animals such as pets, wildlife, livestock, and us. Fortunately, most of the bacteria that originates from humans is treated either through septic systems or city sewer systems. The bacteria that originates from animals can be high in areas where animals gather, such as birds under bridges, flocks of waterfowl, and animal feedlots. The amount of bacteria in lakes and streams can fluctuate and is affected by seasonal weather, stream flow, water temperature, distance from pollution sources, livestock management practices, wildlife activity, sewage overflow, and rainfall. These bacteria are used as indicators of the overall health of the water body. In order to understand the overall health of Minnesota's waters, lakes and rivers are tested for bacteria on a periodic basis. Minnesota has developed water quality standards for bacteria. Waters that meet standards are safe for recreational use, such as swimming, wading, boating, or fishing. When bacterial levels exceed the standard, the water is considered impaired. When a water body is designated as impaired, then Minnesota is required by federal law to study that water to determine the source of the bacteria pollution and to write a plan that will correct that pollution, bringing the water back to meeting standard. Keep excess bacteria out of our waters to keep our waters safe by picking up pet waste, not feeding the waterfowl, keeping cattle fenced away from lakes and streams, making sure your septic system is properly maintained. By working together, we all can do our part in protecting and restoring Minnesota's water resources, which are a part of our heritage, identity, and legacy. To find water quality data and assessment results, visit the MPCA's website. For more information, contact your local Soil and Water Conservation District, your watershed district, RMB Environmental Laboratories, Department of Natural Resources, or the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency. This program is brought to you in cooperation with the Red Lake Watershed District, RMB Environmental Laboratories, and the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency, and funded by the Clean Water Land and Legacy Amendment.